Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everybody? Hope you are well by the Almighty Allah. This is Kamal with you. Today we are going to discuss English first part. Okay, very good. Look at the picture. There is a picture. Okay. What is this? Do you know the picture? Hope everybody knows the picture because it is a very common picture in our culture. Good. This is the picture of Pohala Boishak. Can you guess today's class? Yes. Our today's lesson is Pohela Boishak because the picture is connected to Pohela Boishak. It is a picture of Pohela Boishak. Unit 3, Lesson 6. Okay. First of all, we will discuss the whole passage in brief. The name of Bangla New Year, I think everybody is known to the word Pohela Boishak because it is the name of New Year. Okay, on this day, the whole country is in festive modes. Okay, on this day, women wear white sarees with red border. In the same time, they also wear colorful churis and flower, isn't it? Who knows? We wear these dresses. Men wear pajamas and Punjabis. People go Ramna Botmul where Sayanot organize the beginning program of the day. People sing Tagore song Eshohe Boishak. Do you know the song? I think everybody knows the song because it is a common song on this day, isn't it? Next, the passage in brief. The biggest carnival of the day. Carnival means ceremony. Colorful procession organized by the fine art student of Dhaka University. Fine art means Charukala. Carnival অনুষ্ঠান সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠান কালচারাল অনুষ্ঠান is called carnival. ফাইন আর্ট হলো চারুকলা। ঢাকা ইউনিভার্সিটির চারুকলা ছাত্রছাত্রীরা ওই দিন একটা রঙিন শোভাযাত্রা মঙ্গল শোভাযাত্রা বের করে। The procession usually displays the traditional picture of Bengali culture. Different organizations also hold different cultural programs on this day. It is such a program where the whole nation, irrespective of caste and creed, join. Because in our religious ceremony, the people of other religion do not come or do not engage in such a mood of Pohela Boishak because it is the cultural ceremony for all the religion, especially for the Bengali nation, where the Bengali people live. The ceremony is observed. Okay. Now answer. We have learned the text in brief. First of all, it is the biggest carnival of the country. Men wear Punjabis and pajamas. Women wear saris, white saris with red borders, and they also wear churis and flowers. And we take our special food like panta ilish, the Cyanot, and cultural organization of Bangladesh start the day's first program at Ramna Bodmul with the Tagore song Eshohe Boishak. Now we have learned the text in brief. Now there is some question. Do you go out in the morning of Pohela Boishak? If yes, you go. Where do you go? If not, what do you do? আমরা পহেলা বৈশাখের দিন বাইরে যাই। যদি তুমি বাইরে যাও, কোথায় যাও? যদি না যাও, তাহলে তুমি কি করো? Okay, now answer. Yes, I go out in the morning of Pohela Boishak. I go to Ramna Bodmul, especially to celebrate the ceremony of Pohela Boishak, isn't it? Okay, next. What kind of food do you eat in the morning of Pohela Boishak? Everybody knows it that we take panta ilish. In the morning of Pohela Boishak, we eat panta with hilsa fish, isn't it? Now, next question. Do you wear any special dress on this day? Yes, of course. Yes, I wear pajamas and Punjabis, and my sister wear saris with colorful churis. In the same time, she also wear flower. Okay, next. Where do we go on this day and why? We go to Boishakhi Mela on this day to celebrate the day or to enjoy the Mela, Boishakhi Mela. Next, what is the most special program of the carnival? এই অনুষ্ঠানের সবচেয়ে বিশেষ প্রোগ্রাম কর্মসূচি কোনটা? The most special program of the day is the colorful procession organized by the students of the fine art of Dhaka University. ঢাকা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের চারুকলার ছাত্রছাত্রীরা যে মঙ্গল শোভাযাত্রা বের করে, এটা হলো the most special program of this day. Okay, next. There is a gap. We have to complete the passage with suitable word. Okay. The word Pohela means the first, and Boishak is the dash month of Bangla year. Do yourself first, then we shall match with the answer given below. Okay, the dash month, it is first month. The day is observed not dash শুধু বাংলাদেশে নয়, শুধুমাত্র not only in Bangladesh but also in some parts of the world. It is celebrated in West Bengal, Assam, Tripura, It also dash in Australia and UK. এটা অস্ট্রেলিয়া এবং ইউকেতেও কি হয় উচ্চাপিত হওয়া সেলিব্রেটেড দিতে পারি হেল্ড দিতে পারি In Australia, the largest dash for the Bangla New Year. Largest সবচেয়ে বড় কি সবচেয়ে বড় অনুষ্ঠান কার্নিভাল দিতে পারি সেরিমনি দিতে পারি মেলা দিতে পারি নো প্রবলেম ফর দ্য বেঙ্গলি নিউ ইয়ার ইজ দ্য সিডনি বৈশাখী মেলা হেল্ড অনুষ্ঠিত হওয়া হেল্ড অন সিডনি অলিম্পিক পার্ক ইন ইংল্যান্ড দ্য বাঙালি সম্প্রদায় ইংরেজি কি কমিউনিটিস ভেরি গুড সেলিব্রেট দ্য ডে উইথ এ স্ট্রিট ড্যাশ ইন লন্ডন যেটা হয় লন্ডনে অবস্থিত সিচুয়েটেড দিতে পারি ইট ইজ দ্য ড্যাশ আসাম ফেস্টিভ্যাল ইন এশিয়ান এটা হয় দায়ের পরে সুপারলেটিভ ফর্ম বসাতে হবে একটা অ্যাডজেক্টিভ সবচেয়ে বড় এশিয়ান অনুষ্ঠান দ্য বিগেস্ট এশিয়ান ফেস্টিভ্যাল ইন ইউরোপ ড্যাশ বাংলাদেশ এবং পশ্চিমবঙ্গর পরে ছাড়া বা পরে আপনার দিতে পারি beside দিতে পারি no problem you can use any word which is suitable because we were told to use only suitable words no problem okay next try to match with the answer first only also held program in community situated largest after very good we have matched with the gap and answer okay very good so we have learned today Pohela Boishakh the passage in brief in the same time 5 question and their answer in the same time a fill in the blanks with suitable words please you have to practice them again and again at home otherwise it will be forgotten please stay at home wash your hand again and again to protect from coronavirus